Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy, and on this channel we talk about everything's money, and I want to provide you with another hot job lead for today. You can make up to $3,500 a month, and you know, a quote that I want to give you, well actually it's a scripture. If you give a man a fish, they can eat for one day, but if you teach a man to fish, eat for a lifetime. So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give you all something that you all could, gravitate on. Anything, like I said, in the realm of making money, this is what this channel is about. Listen, I do read your comments. So continue to post comments and anything you would like to do or would like for me to do, I will do that for you, okay? I am in the process of honoring one of my comments. So I haven't forgotten about you from Dubai. I'm still looking into that, okay? But in the meantime, stay tuned.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next.
Okay, so as you see on the screen here, this position is with Numotion. Okay, it's an order entry coordinator position. Of course, it's remote from home. It's a full-time position. Your summary of responsibilities: an order entry coordinator serves as a liaison between the assistive technology professionals and the DME manufacturers by reviewing quotes for accuracy of pricing, equipment parts, and discount structures for complex rehab equipment requests. Okay, your essential functions: proofs work and performs initial quality control review of vendor quotes to submission for revenue validations, coordinates with assistive technology professional and customer care coordinators to ensure timely follow-up to ensure clients' needs are met, okay, and so forth and so on. And you can read the rest of that there. Your required skills: the ability to work in a fast-paced environment and juggle multiple priorities. Minimum of 3 years of experience in a high-paced office environment is required. Able to interpret general business documents and performs problem-solving and analytical skills. Ability to work overtime per day if the client order follows or flow demands. Superior interpersonal and communication skills. Track record of being consistent with attendance and prompt arrival at work and meetings. Okay, so you do have to have this required experience. You have to have the high school education or equivalent, 2 years durable, medical equipment preferred. All right, if you are interested in this position, go ahead and click the apply now at the bottom.
So there you have it for today, and good luck to everyone that applied, and let your faith be bigger than your fear. Have a great day, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.
You get to cry. Thank you.